And see, I'm not surprised say at all forcing. I say one better how to go by those taxes, tax way, Now one say one bar, one better a year betting tax. 2, a year ye living so one better. And then they made mention of COVID tax. And then emission. And then tax for we now one promise say, to my best of knowledge, one can say one a. Now let's go back to Tama NPP. Go back to IMF. Now IMF wanted to know, say, Ghana, do we have the capacity to generate enough revenue? Because Babe bought Bessia or Obin as I say, nipa no hwe say, uyo obi a or affordability. And I say, uyo obi a bisa na oba beje no, ubetumi aye adwuma e de atua. And then IMF wanted to know, say, Ghana, do we have the capacity to generate enough revenue? And Ghana eba back. And then that led to the introduction of SAR taxes here, NPP, ede ebayen. Now, so these taxes became some of the conditionalities that IMF share one day supporting. Now at that time, now our expenditure, bro, yen sika, ya akomabo sika, ya debebo or minor hobra. So we needed to go to IMF. And then Oshe Ghana, almost every time, our expenditure is saying yen revenue. So we need external source to just support near year one. Now, President Mahama and NDC Ekunu, they knew the conditionalities here making what me. Now we but because they want to win power at all costs, and yenka adia beto emebu nitrim. Yenka adia ebeto amanfo trim. Because yen nyina yeje to me say ewiase nyina enema mu ayeden kakra. Enti ye pese ye free ahokyere mu dia. Ene tax system na ama amanfo ho akire ho no. Yenka se ye beyi ayeden efri ho. Before I won be kasa eboshe no, they knew the conditionalities. They know say it's something ebeye din ayeden ama won. Mami mfa wonko back time na kufo esiso. Before 2008, I NDC be take over. Na yetua tax, talking tax, kufo edibaye. NDC eye campaign say, ombe yisa tax na yeden every ho. At that time, now there was also a tax on petroleum, 5%. NDC kase ombe yi every ho. But nani nyina se o pese u generate sika edima omanya baby a eye necessity oman no amanfo tai use no now the taxes are then ato because e ho no na obetumi a generate sika NDC share sa boni so ba sa talking tax na na wo ho 5% and that's our petroleum e use ombe ye free wo time won be take over 5% in e increase ko 8%. Talking tax and so on to me and free. The same thing is going to happen. Sesi ano se oka se wo ba betwa eye yi levy no mu emission tax, COVID tax, betting tax no. Oka se wo ba abetwa mu it means that you are going to forfeit the IMF condition or them MIN. And they say oh year no from the IMF bet me aka say one they are not going to support us again. If that happens, where are you going to get the money to continue the good project and NPP AM, such as send a minimum free education once a month. My main limiting me to only that side, such as the free education. A year, the government spends not less than 4 billion. The government spends not less than 4 billion on free education. Now, oka so betwitwa sa taxes we mu nyina Where are you going to get the money? And yet that easy. And interest is here, and one should prepare your mind that one use brofubi anytime CBR or you are going to have a new way, your baby way. But it's something that they themselves they know say it will be difficult for them to abolish or to cancel those taxes. However, since someone make a promise to Ghanaians, the youth are patiently waiting. Believe in me, what the young man who be 1 month, you see what the youth won't be back out. You promise us say, Oba betting tax no ubitrum. It has been more than 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. We are still paying. But anka betting tax and enya boni o mini a wokọ mini amanu me wo abrochire. Okọ abrochire betting won't to tax e so. There's a betting tax. Se me a meye adwuma me tua tax e bia meye research and I say bia me ye obi adwuma. Sometimes I even do teach online. And sana market you be tom account no ne ate tax no e so deda. Enti se won so ye we bi no won ma bet na kwakoye won full time job. Some people even make minimum bi won see a fresh am ade bi aviator odi 80,000 Ghana cedis within a week. Tell me no. You bet me aye adwuma nya 80,000 Ghana cedis a week ana. It's not possible. Now 80,000 Ghana cedis a week or see on to me into a tax. Now mimi sika na minya no 3,000 Ghana cedis a week, 5,000 Ghana cedis a week. Mimi they enter me tax. Those people they buy Porsche cars. A coin so once na so a complaining say a coin enye den enye ayarsabia enye. Meanwhile, you cannot pay tax on 80,000. Name mimi 3,000, 1,500, 800 in a day. I have to pay tax. And to me, there is absolutely nothing wrong with the taxes in a war. And if you want to develop as a country, like the developed economies, to say UK, US, and then other Germany, anyway, they are the tax on it. But yeah, the BBI politics. And Ghanaians, we have sat down for a year NDC, one other. Na minya manum eka free education wasem. And then me can be say yes am enkwara no best school one for aduane mra. I also heard one supplier be so now one we aduane wo ho but the government has not given them the go ahead to supply nti ama enkwara na wo school ni say won nya aduane ni. We should expect something worse. That is if President Mahama otwa those taxes no ma. En say say na yi na kwakoye afamienu. Ochomwa obe face challenges to raise money to support free education. Obe face challenges to raise money to support our energy sector and then to continue agenda 111 because IMF there is high possibility say one bet you because the economy and I said the government cannot raise money to pay a car so when chamuswa a mabuno best story etia NDC government and then that is going to be a very big trouble. And see, I'm not surprised at all forcing say one bet how to go by those taxes I feel so you say no okay say ankabet yen twamukura me no yenim say it is never possible say ubetuma ka say ultra bet mu e wo Ghana. Anya possible even me nua panyi ato forcing enim say asem no kan it's not possible because you see bet na ba beye ade bia ememu wa no ni youth no wa dia atom kwampo say won ebeko school ana say won ebeye bibi say empanyfo nyina mpo etwa bet first na dan say me ko ba bi wo hwe mai wa won wa wi won jeans ni won ya won gina betting ayi hu a won twa me say mai yo nyina etwa bi so if say o ba betwa mu a e de enyama bebre beye den ebesisi so NDC we know that they are people and they won't can asem say ade e no won aka say so me yes still we have some people that they believe their words and then they still go and vote for them.